In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text in Microsoft Loop. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can confidently format text in Microsoft Loop with ease. Let's start by opening up your preferred web browser. Once you've done that, go ahead and type Microsoft Loop into your search bar. Press Enter, and you should see the official website right at the top of your search results. Click on that link to open it up. Now, if you're not already signed in, you'll need to do that next. Simply click on the Sign In button, typically located at the upper right corner of the page. From there, you'll enter your credentials to access your account. After signing in, navigate to the specific page or component within Microsoft Loop that you wish to format. This could be a current project you're working on, a shared document, or any component that you'd like to update. It's important to have the right context when formatting so that your changes are relevant and enhance the overall presentation or readability of your content. Now, once you've accessed the page, you'll want to begin by selecting the text you intend to format. Use your mouse or trackpad to highlight the specific section of text. Upon doing this, a formatting menu should automatically appear. This menu is your gateway to styling your text to meet your needs. You'll find a host of formatting options at your disposal. You can make your text bold to emphasize important points, italicize words or phrases for subtle highlighting, underline key information, or even change the font size and style to make your document look more professional and organized. Keep in mind that formatting isn't just about aesthetics. It's also about enhancing the clarity of your information. For instance, if you have a list of tasks or bullet points, consider using indentation and bullet formatting to present your ideas clearly. Finally, always remember to review your changes before finishing. It's easy to overlook small errors or inconsistencies when you're deep into editing, so take a moment to ensure that all the formatted text aligns with your goals for clarity and visual appeal. And there you have it. That's all it takes to format text in Microsoft Loop. With these steps, you can make your documents and collaborative projects not only look professional, but also communicate information effectively. Thanks for joining today's session, and happy formatting!